Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical crypto tutorial. How to send Chainlink from Kraken to your Phantom wallet in 2025. If you're looking to move your assets for better security or to use them in DeFi projects, this step-by-step guide is perfect for you. Chainlink is a popular token for Oracle networks, and transferring it safely is crucial in the evolving crypto landscape. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Kraken and Phantom wallet. Start by logging into your Kraken account. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets or Funding section. It's usually on the main dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of your assets, including Chainlink. Select Chainlink from the drop-down menu to initiate a withdrawal. Next, you'll need to enter the recipient address. Open your Phantom wallet app or extension, and copy the Chainlink address. Remember, Chainlink typically uses the Ethereum network, so double-check that your Phantom wallet is set up for ERC20 tokens. Paste this address into the withdrawal form on Kraken, and enter the amount you want to send. Don't forget to review the network fees. They can vary, so aim for a balance between speed and cost. Before you hit confirm, take a moment to verify everything. Crypto transactions are irreversible, so ensure the address is correct to avoid any costly mistakes. Once you're confident, click Withdraw, and wait for the confirmation email or on-screen notification from Kraken. This might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Head back to your Phantom wallet and refresh it to see your Chainlink tokens arrive. If everything goes smoothly, you're all set. In 2025, with advancements in blockchain tech, these transfers are faster and safer than ever, but always stay vigilant against scams. That's it for this tutorial. I hope this makes managing your crypto a breeze. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.